Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000. This truck shows 123,000 original miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It is finished in a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a 5.7L engine and features a 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable both on and off the road. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives overall pretty well. The truck is driven a short distance on a daily basis, so the mileage may increase slightly over time. As far as known, the mileage and most major components are original. Like most trucks of this age, it does have some rust, which is to be expected, but it still presents as a solid and usable classic Sierra that remains dependable for daily use or as a vintage pickup project. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $9,970. It has 79,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline 305 V8 with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior with a black interior and sits on a 4 to 5 inch drop with a 2-inch C-notched frame. The truck has been upgraded with new doors, fenders, hood, bedside panels, and inner fenders, along with an aluminum radiator and electric fans. The engine is built with comp cams and valve springs, a mother thumper cam, quiet gear drive, roller cam and rockers, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, Edelbrock valve covers and breather, and rebuilt heads, paired with a 350C transmission and 3400 stall converter. Additional upgrades include a Flowmaster exhaust, new windshield, and new seats. Number 3. 1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,300, equipped with the well-known 5.9L Cummins diesel engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has approximately 258,000 miles and is finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, running on diesel fuel. It has undergone extensive recent maintenance, with many new parts installed, and has been driven less than 100 miles since the work was completed. Mechanically, it is in good condition considering its age, though the body does show some rust and is not perfect cosmetically. To offset this, the seller is including several rust-free replacement parts, including a bed, tailgate, doors, and fenders, making it a solid candidate for continued use, restoration, or a light rebuild. Number 4. 1999 GMC Sonoma, price $6,000, very clean and well-kept compact truck with 118,000 miles on it. It is equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean look. It runs and shifts great and consistently gets compliments wherever it goes. The tires still have plenty of tread remaining, although they are beginning to show some age. The air conditioning blows cold and the heater works perfectly. It is upgraded with a CarPlay and Android-compatible head unit, along with a Rockford Fosgate subwoofer and amplifier for improved sound quality. The engine was replaced a few years ago, and the owner has all supporting paperwork as well as a clean title. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. The truck has 186,000 miles, is equipped with a manual transmission, and is powered by a 4.3L engine paired with a 5-speed gearbox. It runs on gasoline and features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The air conditioning and heater are both fully functional, and the windshield has no cracks. The truck is mostly all original, with the only modification being an aftermarket radio. It was recently repainted and comes with service records documenting all maintenance and work performed over the years. The vehicle was originally purchased with plans for a V8 swap, but its clean condition made it too nice to tear apart. The only known mechanical issue is a fuel gauge that fluctuates from full to empty, along with a few minor cosmetic imperfections. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,000, powered by the legendary 6.5L turbo diesel, paired with an automatic transmission and a true 4x4 drivetrain. With only 108,000 original miles, this diesel truck is considered low mileage for its class and runs and drives perfectly. It starts easily, pulls strong, and shifts smoothly, making it ready to work immediately. Finished in white with a gray interior, this long bed Sierra is built for serious use, whether for hauling, towing, ranch work, hunting trips, or even daily driving. The diesel engine delivers dependable power and efficiency, and the 4x4 system provides confidence on rough terrain or in demanding conditions. Equipped with a heavy-duty front bumper, grille guard, and headache rack, this truck not only looks tough but is built to handle real work. Number 7. 1989 Dodge D100, price $9,000. It is powered by a 3.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 2-wheel drive drivetrain. The truck shows approximately 97,000 original miles. It features a classic red exterior matched with a red interior, complemented by chrome bumpers and a straight, solid body. The tires are in decent condition, and the interior is clean and well maintained. An upgraded stereo system has been installed and sounds great, adding to the driving experience, along with that unmistakable 80s character. The truck holds a clean title and runs strong, though it will need catalytic converter work to pass emissions testing. Overall, this Dodge D100 is a solid running vintage pickup with classic style and honest condition. Number 8. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,300. This truck has 173,000 miles and is equipped with a 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The transmission was replaced at 70,000 miles, with paperwork to support the work. Recent maintenance includes a new passenger-side exhaust manifold, a new AC compressor, a complete tune-up, new upper ball joints, ABS sensors, and a new 4x4 actuator and switch. The tires and brakes are in good condition, the LED headlights have been upgraded, and there are no warning lights or mechanical issues. The truck runs and drives very well. Cosmetic flaws include rust under the fender flares, as well as rust on the rocker panels and cab corners. The title is in hand. Number 9. 1965 Ford F250, price $8,250. This truck features a 428 Cobra jet engine swap mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, offering strong performance and a classic driving experience. The truck runs and drives, making it a solid candidate for continued use or further restoration. It does have a small oil leak, which is believed to be coming from the rear main seal. The driver's side floor will need to be replaced, but the truck comes with the correct floor pan to complete the repair. Overall, this F250 is a desirable classic pickup with a powerful engine upgrade and plenty of potential for a new owner looking for a vintage truck project with character. Number 10. 1994 Ford F250, price $3,750, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a strong 4.9L inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The truck features a white exterior with a blue interior and has been owned for the past 2 years, during which it has been used for a 40-mile each-way daily commute without any issues. The powertrain runs excellently, and the truck remains reliable for everyday driving, especially considering its age. Overall, the vehicle is in fair condition and offers an 8-foot bed that provides excellent utility for work or hauling. The engine runs smoothly and pulls strong, making it a dependable daily driver. The interior and exterior show normal wear consistent with a truck of this age, and the air conditioning is currently not working. While the transmission is functional and usable, it is not perfect, as third gear requires some finesse when shifting.